Meaning of editor.
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 Editor. An editor is a person or tool responsible for selecting, revising, and preparing written or visual material for publication. Editors may review content for accuracy, grammar, style, and organization. They may suggest changes to improve readability or clarity, cut or expand sections, and coordinate with other team members to ensure content meets publishing standards. They may also oversee the production process, including layout and design, and participate in marketing or promotional activities. Ultimately, editors play a crucial role in shaping content and ensuring it reaches its intended audience effectively.